If you have seen this message on April 19, this is the sign for you. Spirit guides were telling me to send this message to you at ito ang gustong sabihin sa'yo ng mga gabay mo. Communication coming for you with 8 of Wands. So, meron tao dito na gusto kang makausap. And this is your lover. Or maaaring ito yung person na nasa isip mo. So, if you're seeing this video and whoever is on your mind right now, as you watch this, iniisip ka niya ngayon. The spirit guides wants you to know that this person can't stop thinking about you. What you had in the past is like a memory to this person na hindi niya talaga makalimutan. Kasi para sa kanya, you're irreplaceable. Even if your person is not talking to you directly, through his actions, kasi mapapansin mo naman through her actions na talagang gusto niyang isave kung ano yung meron kayong dalawa. So, hindi man kayo nagkakaroon ng communication directly with each other kasi I can see here an indirect communication because you're still feeling each other even if the separation is going on or parang even if there's a gap between the two of you, you can understand each other's presence through the chemistry that you have with this person. And as far as I see here, there's a magician. Okay, so a magician came out on this reading kasi this is like a plot twist in your relationship. You didn't expect that this would happen very fast. So what is the plot twist? King of Coins. So meron palang offer itong tao na to. So maybe this is an apology. Or maybe meron siyang i-offer sa'yo na love na hindi niya talaga naibigay sa'yo sa past. Kaya ito, nakita mo itong video na to to clarify that your person is looking forward to see you. Okay, so another thing is alam mo gusto kanyang suyuin eh. Kasi lumabas si Page of Cups dito. So, you might be dealing with someone younger than you or you might be dealing with someone older than you a bit. Or maaaring ikaw nga yung mas bata dito. Pero sinasabi dito, even if whoever is the younger one, I think